Abby. Oh, she loves to do flips. Abby, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Yeah, we probably need to get out the water in a minute. Oh yeah, when it starts blowing like that, you know it's about to rain. Abby, why don't you get out and start drying off? It looks like it's going to be raining here in a few minutes. Okay, I'm watching. I see.
You don't have to come sing with me though. Okay?
It'll be too deep. Too deep, Mommy.
Too deep.